health benefits of tomatoes. So let's talk about health benefits of tomatoes, because it seems like there's 10,000 to 100,000 people average a month to search for this. My God. Okay, let's get into this. All right, let's see what the health benefits of tomatoes are. Boom. All right. Pooh. The health benefits of tomatoes can be attributed to their wealth of nutrients and vitamins, including an impressive amount of vitamin A, C, and vitamin K, as well as a significant amount of vitamin B6, folate, and thiamine. Okay. There are also a good source of potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and copper. My God. That is awesome. But I reckon we can go one further and just say nutrients in tomatoes. Usually this pops up, this little graph on the side. If you've ever seen this, that's why. So if you usually search for anything like, nutrients of tomatoes and nutrients of any vegetables, it'll pop it up. So let's have a look. I like to look at this because it shows me the percentage per 100 grams, I think it is, of what types of vitamins it has. So it's got vitamin A, 16%, vitamin C, 22%. So that's 16 and 22% of your daily intake. It's your daily intake. If you consume about 2,000 calories a day, which normal people maybe consume a little bit more than that, considering half the Australia is obese, or more than half, I dare say that might be double that. Anywho, so it doesn't have any fat, it doesn't have anything. It's got heaps of potassium, it's got some carbohydrates, not that much. Good thing is it's got a bit of fiber. Fiber is good for you, and believe it or not, it has a little bit of protein as well. Out of all things, I didn't think that had any protein. Good. Okay, so then you can go from here and say, right, what is a vitamin A good for? So let's go. Vitamin A, and what do we need? And vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is good for just keeping good health and all that sort of stuff. But I'm pretty sure vitamin A is more about building up your immune system and all that sort of stuff. So let's see. Okay. Vitamin A is a fat-soluble vitamin that is also a powerful antioxidant. See, vitamin A plays a critical role in maintaining healthy vision, neurological function, healthy skin, and more. Vitamin A, like all antioxidants, is involved in reducing inflammation through fighting free radical damage. So I assume if you've got any, let's say, grazes, burns, if you've got any arthritis, all those types of things, anywhere where inflammation can occur, vitamin A is obviously going to help you there. So eating a lot of fruits and vegetables that have vitamin A are going to help you heaps. Yes, they will. Okay. What do we have? We've got vitamin B6. Let's see what vitamin B6 does to you. What is B6 benefits? Here we go. It already knows what I want. Vitamin B6 deficiency and sources all B vitamins, including vitamin B6, play an important role in a range of physical and psychological functions. They are most known for helping to maintain a healthy metabolism, nerve function, liver function, skin health, eye health, as well as help to boost level of energy. So you will be running marathons into no time if you have 2 tomatoes a day. Okay, so that is it, ladies and gentlemen. I think we've learned a whole lot about tomatoes. I think we've learned that if we have 10 tomatoes a day, you will have 150% of vitamins A, and you will be also blessed with beautiful health and 220% of vitamin C. Therefore, you can potentially fight off very, 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 very dangerous diseases just eating tomatoes. Now, I hope this episode was very useful to you. I mean, we are seeing this channel rise from 22 beautiful subscribers to I don't know, let's say 200,000 subscribers in next to no bloody time. So thank you very much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one. If you have subscribed, thank you. If you have not subscribed, please do. And I promise I will deliver all of this beautiful content that you're getting right now, all this information that you're getting right now, that it is absolutely amazing. And you will go to sleep dreaming about this content, okay? You'll go to sleep dreaming about tomatoes. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.